Hello friends, welcome back. Hearty welcome to you. Let us look at this problem related to 8th grade or 9th grade algebra. We have been asked to find out the product of two real numbers. One is 2010th root of a real number and the another one is 4020th root of another real number. Now how to solve this problem? Certainly these type of questions the answer will be 1. So let us see now how the answer will be 1 in this particular problem. Now what is the relation between 2010 and 4020? 4020 is 2 times of 2010. So let us try to get both of them to the root of 4020. So I will leave this 4020th root of 55 plus 12 root 21 as it is, and we will change this one to 4020th root of 2 root 7 minus 3 root 3 whole square. I hope you understood that step. 2010th root means to the power of 1 by 2010. 1 by 2010 is also equals to 2 by 4020. So we have made sure that both of them with the same root. If they are both same root, then we can multiply them because we have a power m into b power m is ab whole to the power of m. So this will become 2 root 7 minus 3 root 3 whole square multiply with 55 plus 12 root 21. Now we need to find out what is 2 root 7 minus 3 root 3 whole square. For that we will use identity a minus b whole square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So first will be a square 2 root 7 whole square plus b square, that is 3 root 3 whole square, minus 2 into a into b 2 root 7 multiply with 3 root 3. Now this whole thing we need to multiply with 55 plus 12 root 21. Now let us simplify that. We will have 4020th root of 2 root 7 whole square, that is 28. 3 root 3 whole square is 27 minus 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Root 7 into root 3 is root 21. That I need to multiply with 55 plus 12 root 21. Now let's go to the next step and try to write it as 4020th root of, what is 28 plus 27? 55. 55 minus 12 root 21 multiply with 55 plus 12 root 21. Now it's a time to use another identity, which is a minus b into a plus b equals to a square minus b square. So when we use that identity, we will have 55 square minus 12 root 21 whole square. Now let us simplify that. That will be 4020th root of 55 square, which is 3025, minus 12 root 21 whole square, that is 12 into 12 into 21. 12 12s are 144. 144 into 21. 2880, 144, 3024. Now you can see what we are having inside now is simply 1. 1 to the power of any number is always equal to 1 only. So our answer is equal to 1. Now if you look from the first step onwards, What are the formulas we have used? Let us try to write down them one by one for our reference. The first formula we have used is a minus b whole square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. The other identity or formula identity we have used is a plus b into a minus b equals to a square minus b square. Also remember that nth root of a power m is equal to a power m by n, or nth root of simply a is equal to a power 1 by n. Now that's how we are able to find out that the solution for this particular problem is equal to 1.